Hello friends, today we are going to make simple project for summer project. Now you see, this is the most simple project you can do at summer project. For that we need some of the components like shell. We have taken a 9-volt cell, that is NiPo gold, right? Besides that, we have taken one LED. We'll check whether this LED is in perfect condition or not with a tester. You see here, this is our continuity tester. We can check it with whether this LED is in perfect condition or not. Let us check. Here you see, where if we touch this one, you see that we can see that whether it is in perfect condition or not, right? Here see, with a first of all we check this switch. We see here whether this switch is in perfect condition or not. If it glows, that means it is in perfect condition. Let us see, it is glowing, that means this switch is in perfect condition. And this LED will check whether it is in perfect condition or not with this 9-volt cell, right? Let us see whether it is glowing or not. Yes, it is glowing, that means it is also in perfect condition, right? The LED is in okay condition, the cell is in okay condition, and this is the switch is also in okay condition. You see, there are different types of switches we have taken. You see, this is one of the type of switch, this one, and this one is push switch, and this is the slide switch, right? There are different types of switch, but we have taken the most simple one, this switch, right? Now for making most simple circuit, we need only 1, 2, 3 and other things, that is lead, or what we call it as connecting wires. You see, these are the connecting wires. We can make these wires or leads at home at the rate of rupees 5. The cost of this making this at home is rupees 5. You can check our videos and you can see how we have make these leads or connecting wires, right? Here you see, here there are two types of leads wires, one is red and the other one is black, right? Now we'll show you how to make the most simple circuit, right, for summer project, right? For that, what you take, for that you take a cell, or you can make it at a cardboard also. This is our cell, right? We'll connect it with the positive terminal with this red wire, right? Here you can see that there are two terminals, one is positive and the other one is negative. The red one is the positive and the black you can see is the negative terminal, right? Now you see how we are connecting this one. Here you see we have first connected these wires with the red one, right? Here you see red, right? Now after that you have to connect it with a switch. This is our switch. You see, this is our switch. This is the most simple circuit we are going to make. You see here, this is the most simple circuit, right? Here we have taken the switch. After that, here you can see that we have taken this black, that is negative terminal of the cell. Here you see we have taken the negative terminal of the cell, right? This is the negative terminal of the cell. Now you see that in LED, this is the LED. You see there are two terminals. One is the longer leg, one is the shorter leg. The longer leg is always positive and the shorter leg is negative, right? Now you see that you have to connect this with the longer leg with the positive terminal. You see the red one is the positive, that's why we can take it as positive terminal. You see, this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. This is the negative terminal of this one, right? Now this is our complete circuit. You can see here, This is a complete circuit. But now the switch is in off position. It is a circuit is complete now. Now what we have taken? We have taken a switch. We have taken a cell, a switch, and an LED. This is our most simple circuit. Now if we switch on this one switch on, let's see whether the LED is glowing or not. Right? Let us check. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. You see, there it is glowing. That means our circuit is complete, and this is the most simple circuit to make for summer project. Right? Very easy. One cell is there, one switch is there, one LED is there, and 3 connecting wires we have taken to make this simple circuit. You can fix it at cardboard also. This one, this cell, this switch, and this LED you can fix at in a cardboard also. Right? This is the most simple circuit. Now we can change this LED with different types of applications. For example, if we replace this one with a buzzer, right? Let us see how we are replacing this with a buzzer, and you see how we can change this LED with a buzzer and make this circuit a complete circuit. Here you can see we have taken a buzzer, and if we replace this LED with a buzzer, let us see whether it is working or not. Remember that this is the red one, this red where is the positive terminal and the black one is the negative terminal. If we put it in this way, the red one with positive and the black one with negative, and we'll see whether it is working or not. Let us see whether it is working or not with this simple circuit. You can make this simple circuit in your summer project also. Let us see. If you switch on, now you see how we have made this one. One cell is there, one switch is there, one buzzer is there, and there are 3 connecting wires. If we switch on, let us see whether the buzzer is making sound or not. Yes, it is making sound. Right? Now we'll check to put this LED and the buzzer in series connection and see whether it is working or not. Right? Let us see whether it is working or not. Right? Here you see we have connected the buzzer and the LED in series connection, and let us check whether they are working or not. And this is the most simple circuit for your summer project. Here you see we have put the LED and the buzzer in series, and let us see whether it is working or not. And this is the most simple circuit for your summer project. For that we need only one cell, that is 9-volt cell, a switch, a buzzer, an LED, and few connecting wires. Let us see whether it is working or not. Yes, it is working. You see, it is glowing and the buzzer is also making sound at the same time. Right? In this way, you can make a project for your summer. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.